Okay, moving on to page 197. We're going to write equivalent expressions. Sometimes you can apply the distributive property to part of an expression. So we're going to move into expressions with more than two terms. So we have, let's look at example 1. We have a 3 plus 2a with b, or 2 times the result of a plus b. We can apply the distributive property to 2 times the result of a plus b. Now it's kind of faint, but here we have the 3. We have this same, and this is the new way. So we're going to distribute that 2 out to break it back down into 2 terms. Okay, we can model it this way. When it's in this form, we see it, if you were to draw it, you'd have a 3 here, and that would be added to an a and a b, and another a and a b, 2 sets of those. So what we're doing is when we regroup or reorder, we can move the a's together and the b's together. So now it's 3 plus 2 of a plus 2 of b. Here's example 2. We have a 3a and a 2a and a b. We can apply the distributive property to this part of it and not the b. So here we have a 3a plus a 2a. Now we can pull out the a and use it one time as a factor, times 3 plus 2. And then that b just stays there. So now we're actually going to add the step of combining the 3 and the 2 to make it even simpler. So now we have 2 terms. So here's the model. This would represent 3 a's, 3 of a, plus 2 a's, 2 of a, plus a b. Here they're together. And we simplified it even more. Instead of breaking it into 3 and 2, we might as well just say 5. So here it wants you to look back up at example 1 to use the diagram to help you find a third expression that's equivalent. So we're going to find a third way to express this. Here we have a 3 and a 2 times a plus b. The second one is 3 plus 2 of a and 2 of b. The third one, if you want to try, go ahead. The third one would be to say 3, and then you could just do repeated addition, plus a, plus b, plus a, plus b. That would be if they were all jumbled up, like in example 1. Number 15, apply it to part of the expression, write an equivalent expression, and model it. So here we have 3 times those plus a 6. So we're going to distribute that 3 out to make 2 terms separate. So we have 3c plus 3d, and the 6 doesn't change. Here we have a 7 plus 2. Now, 2 is being used twice here, so we're going to multiply it by a plus f.